What are keywords and data research? Before we get started with this module, here's a question. What are keywords? Keywords, in other words, are basically search terms that you search on Google to find what you're looking for. Identifying the proper keywords might be used to find your business in Google search, so your relevant ads can be displayed to potential customers. In that case, developing a keyword strategy and having the data research on it is very important. In this section, you will learn how to prepare a keyword strategy and know about the different types of them. Let's begin. Why does a keyword strategy matter? Whenever you search on Google search for a product or service, you will use different combinations of keywords to describe what you're looking for. These keywords are also known as search terms and lead to different search results on the Google page. Your ads may appear when someone is using a search term for a keyword list that you've built for your Google Ads campaign. For example, if you are selling junk removal services, you might add junk removal services as a keyword in your Google Ads campaign. When someone uses the search term junk removal services on Google, your ad might appear on the search results page. How do you use keyword match types? You need to build a proper keyword strategy list with different keyword match types, and in order to do that, you need to understand what different keyword match types there are. Let's take a closer look at each match type, and I'll share with you some examples about each of them. The first keyword match type is the exact match type. It is usually written with brackets, as you can see. The ads which use the exact match type keyword may show on the searches that have the same meaning or the same intent. Out of the three keyword match types, exact match gives the most control over who sees your ad, but also reaches a very limited volume. To set up an exact match type keyword, you should only use brackets around your keyword. Now we will look into an example for exact match type keywords. The exact match type keyword that I'm going to use is 10-yard dumpsters rental. When a user searches for 10-yard dumpsters or dumpsters rental 20-yard or dumpsters for rent, none of them would show the ad. Only a search for 10-yard dumpsters rental would show it, since it is an exact match. The exact keywords would trigger the ad. The second keyword match type is phrase match. Now, to use phrase match, you need to put quotation marks before and after the keyword. In this match type, the ads may show searches that include the meaning of your keyword. The meaning of your keyword is usually implied in this keyword type. The user searches can be a little bit more specific in form of the keyword meaning. With phrase match, you will get more volume than exact match, but it will still be limited. To set up phrase match, you can use quotes before and after the keyword. For example, using quotes in 10-yard dumpsters will trigger Google Ads to show this as a phrase match type, and adding a word in between the keyword like 10-yard rent dumpsters won't trigger the Google ad. But using 10-yard dumpsters rental or any word after the keyword that is similar or means the same would trigger the ad. So that's why it will bring more searches than exact match types. Now the final keyword match type is broad match. In broad match, ads may show on searches that are just related to your keywords. It can even include searches that don't really contain the keyword terms, and so this can attract way more visitors to your landing pages. It has the most volume amongst all the three keyword match types. It can also help you spend less time building out extensive keyword lists, so you can focus on your spending on your keywords which are bringing out leads and clicks in Google Ads. To set up, just type the keyword as you would on the Google search without any special characters. That will trigger the broad match type. An example for broad match could be dumpsters rental. Searches for 10-yard dumpsters rental, dumpster rentals, dumpsters for rent, top dumpster rental companies may trigger this keyword and show the ad, and hence the broadest volume of search. All match types are now semantic, meaning keywords expanded based on the meaning of the search rather than the structure of the search. Close variations basically help you connect with customers who are looking into your business despite slight variations in the words that they are using on Google search. So it can basically help you to avoid and build exhaustive keyword lists. Close variations in match types may include misspellings, singular or plural forms, stemming, for example, floor and flooring are the same, abbreviations, and even accents when doing voice search. The best practices for keywords and data research. Structuring out the right keyword list for a campaign can really help you show your ads to the right customers. Your keywords should match the search terms that the potential customer would use finding your product or service. Along with building out the keyword list and listing every other service that you provide, one of the best practices is that you should also build out a negative keyword list. The term negative keyword speaks for itself. It basically prevents an otherwise eligible query from triggering an ad for an irrelevant search. So basically, this can be used for competitors' businesses in searches and also for products and services that your business doesn't provide. For example, if you do not provide biking shoes, you can add a negative keyword for biking shoes, and anytime a person searches for biking shoes, your ads will not be shown. By doing this, the negative keywords reduce undesirable traffic, and that really benefits your marketing budget. And it can also keep your ads focused so it can achieve the right leads and the right customers. Along with negative keywords, when you are building out a keyword list for your actual keywords and search terms, you should organize those keywords by theme. Separating each keyword into different ad groups will basically benefit your ads into different categories and can also help you manage and maintain your account well. For example, if you own a shoe store, your campaign can be organized with different types of shoes for ad groups, like running shoes as one ad group and evening shoes as another one. You can then put out respective keywords in those respective ad groups. The next best practice is to think like your audience. When you are building out your keyword list, think of all of the different search terms that the potential user might be using to search on Google search for your business. Think of variety of searches and even explore on the Google Keyword Planner on all of the different searches that are similar to your search term. This can greatly benefit and help you build out a great keyword list. And finally, once your campaign is running for a while, the search terms report helps you find the right keywords that trigger your ads on the search. From that, you can then get new keyword ideas that you can then implement and try for your Google Ads campaign. Here are some of the key takeaways from this section. You've learned the multiple types of keyword match types in Google Ads. There are three: the exact match type, the phrase match, and the broad match. Building out different keyword lists matched with themes can greatly improve your search, and building out negative ones can also improve your budget and volume. There are many best practices to optimize those keywords so your Google Ads campaign can do great in search. In this section, you've known how keywords are important in Google search. Going ahead, in the next section, we will look into the journey of Google Ads and all that goes into a good Google Ads search campaign. See you in the next one.